Okay, this is Steve again. I'm inside the 2009 Yamaha 232 Limited S twin engine jet boat by Yamaha. Nice cockpit area, 10-person capacity. Looks like a Kenwood sound system. Nice interior, no rips or tears or anything of that nature. It's all pretty clean. Got an anchor up here. Lots of storage. There'll be storage underneath all of these seats. That's actually a cooler with a drain. This is storage for life jackets and so forth. Here is a huge compartment where you can put a porta potty in if you want to, or it makes a nice storage area. It does have the N4 ski locker. This flips up like that, or you can have it lay down so you can watch your kids ski, wakeboard, inner tube, whatever. And then down here you've got your dual batteries with switches, which is great to have. And then over here you've got your engines. Twin Yamaha jet drive engines. So we'll start these up real quick. Both engines are running now. So there you go. Both engines run great. You can run these for up to about a minute without any water running through them. So that's it for now. You can see it at boatsofdallas.com.